Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be reading Fox and Socks by Dr. Seuss. Take it slowly. This book is dangerous for your tongue. Fox and Socks by Dr. Seuss, a division of Random House Inc. Fox, socks, box, knocks. Knocks in box, fox in socks. Knocks on fox, in socks in box. Socks on knocks and knocks in box. Fox in socks on box on knocks. Chicks with bricks come, and chicks with blocks come. Chicks with bricks and blocks and clocks come. Look, sir, Mr. Knox, sir. Let's do tricks with bricks and blocks, sir. Let's do tricks with chicks and clocks, sir. First I'll make a quick trick brick stack. Then I'll make a quick trick block stack. You can make a quick trick chick stack. You can make a quick trick clock stack. And here's a new trick, Mr. Knox. Socks on chicks and chicks on fox. Fox on clocks on bricks and blocks. Bricks and blocks on knocks on box. Now we come to ticks and tocks. Try to say this, Mr. Knoxer. Clocks on fox tick, clocks on knocks tick, six bricks tick, six chicks stock. Please, sir, I don't like this trick, sir. My tongue isn't quick or slick, sir. I get all those ticks and clocks, sir, mixed up with the chicks and tocks, sir. I can't do it, Mr. Fox, sir. I'm so sorry, Mr. Knox, sir. Here's an easy game to play. Here's an easy thing to say. New socks, two socks. Whose socks? Sew's socks. Who sews whose socks? Sew sews Sew's socks. Who sees who sew whose new socks, sir? You see Sew's new socks, sir. That's not easy, Mr. Fox, sir. Who comes? Crow comes. Slow Joe Crow comes. Who sews Crow's clothes? Sews Crow's clothes. Slow Joe Crow sews whose clothes? Sews clothes. Sews socks of fox and socks now. Slow Joe Crow sews knocks in box now. Sews rose on Slow Joe's clothes. Fox sews hose on Slow Joe's crow's nose. Hose go rose, rose grows. Nose hose goes some. Crow's rose grows some. Mr. Fox, I hate this game, sir. This game makes my tongue quite lame, sir. Mr. Knox, sir, what a shame, sir. We'll find something new to do now. Here is a lots of new blue goo now. New goo, blue goo, gooey gooey. Blue goo, new goo, gluey gluey. Gooey goo for chewy chewing. That's what that goose is doing. Do you choose to chew goo too, sir? If you, sir, choose to chew, sir, with the goo goose, chew, sir, do, sir. Mr. Fox, sir, I won't do it. I can't say it. I won't chew it. Very well, sir. Step this way. We'll find another game to play. Bim comes, Ben comes. Bim brings Ben broom. Ben brings Bim broom. Ben bends Bim's broom. Bim bends Ben's broom. Bims bends Ben's bends. Ben's bent broom breaks. Bim's bent broom breaks. Ben's band, Bim's band. Big bands, pig bands. Bim and Ben lead bands with brooms. Ben's band bangs and Bim's band booms. Big band, boom band, big band, broom band. My poor mouth can't say that, no sir. My poor mouth is much too slow, sir. Well then, bring your mouth this way. I'll find it something it can say. Luke likes lakes. Luke's duck likes lakes. Luke licks lake. Luke's duck licks lakes. Duck takes licks in lakes. Luke likes. Luke takes lick in lakes. Duck likes. I can't blab such blibber blubber. My tongue isn't made of rubber. Mr. Knox, now come now. Come now, you don't have to be so dumb now. Try to say this, Mr. Knox, please. Through 3 cheese trees, 3 fleas flew. While these fleas flew, freezy breeze blew. Freezy breeze made these 3 trees freeze. Freezy trees made these trees cheese freeze. And that's what made these 3 free fleas sneeze. Stop it, that's enough, sir. I can't say such silly stuff, sir. Very well then, Mr. Knox, sir. Let's have a little talk about tweetle beetles. What do you know about tweetle beetles? Well, when tweetle beetles fight, it's called a tweetle beetle battle. And when they battle in a puddle, it's a tweetle beetle puddle battle. And when tweetle beetles battle with paddles in a puddle, they call it a tweetle beetle puddle paddle battle. And when beetles battle beetles in a puddle battle, and the beetle battle puddle is a puddle in a bottle, they call this a tweetle beetle bottle puddle paddle battle muddle. And when beetles fight these battles in a bottle with their paddles and the bottle on a poodle and the poodle's eating noodles, they call this a muddle puddle tweetle poodle beetle noodle bottle paddle battle. And now wait a minute, Mr. Socks Fox. When a fox is in the bottle where the tweetle beetles battle with their paddles in a puddle on a noodle eating poodle, this is what they call a tweetle beetle noodle poodle bottled paddled muddled doddled fuddled wuddled fox in socks, sir. Fox in socks. Our game is done, sir. Thank you for a lot of fun, sir. Now is your tongue numb? Well, mine isn't. I hope yours isn't too. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed that story. Fox in Socks. Please subscribe to my channel. I make amazing content. And if you want to see more amazing content, then hit the bell button and turn notifications on. Because until next time, it's me signing off.